I prepare for my exam by revising worksheets that have been given back to me and taking notes of my mistake.
I learned a lot of phrases and improved my writing in Writers at Work. Sometimes the teacher even lets us play activities. My favorite lesson is soup spill.
Students are not the only ones preparing for exams. Here, parents are welcome to be involved as much as possible so that they know how their children are progressing and how they can help as parents.
We take the initiative to update parents through phone calls and quarterly file checks. During these sessions, we discuss with parents their children's strengths and areas of improvement. We encourage two-way communication in Writers at Work.
Writers at Work brings out the best in budding writers by creating a stimulating classroom environment. Experiential activities are built into teachers' lesson plans to engage the students. An example would be the lower primary lessons, Big Bad Wolf. Teachers plan for students to make a wolf mask through a step-by-step guide, which in turn will help guide students in writing a procedural text. For upper primary, teachers expose students to different real-life scenarios through discussion, dramatization, and visual aids.
Well, hello everyone, thank you for watching. If you'd like to know how our team of teachers here help our students to score an A-star for your PSLE English competition, do visit our website at writersatwork.com.sg and check out our Facebook too. I hope to see you at WOW soon. Bye!